Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how different texts present information. Specifically, we'll look at how texts organize and present information sequentially, comparatively, and causally. Understanding these different methods will help you better analyze and understand the texts you read in history and social studies. First, let's define the key concepts. Sequential. Information presented in the order in which events happen or steps are taken. Comparative. Information that shows similarities and differences between two or more things. Causal. Information that explains cause and effect relationships, showing how one event leads to another. Knowing these terms will help you identify how texts are structured and how to follow their arguments and narratives. Let's start with an easy example, a recipe. To make a sandwich, first, gather all your ingredients. Next, spread the mayonnaise on the bread. Then, add the slices of turkey and cheese. Finally, top with another slice of bread and cut the sandwich in half. This text presents information sequentially, outlining each step in the order you need to follow. Sequential texts help you understand how to complete a process or event step by step. Now, let's look at a more complex example, involving a comparative structure. Here's a text comparing two historical revolutions. The American Revolution and the French Revolution were both major uprisings against established governments. However, the American Revolution focused on gaining independence from British rule, while the French Revolution aimed at overthrowing the monarchy and establishing a republic. Both revolutions had significant impacts on their respective societies, but their causes and outcomes were different. This text presents information comparatively, showing how the American and French revolutions are similar in their nature but different in their goals and outcomes. Comparative texts help you understand how two or more subjects relate to each other. For a more advanced example, let's examine a text that describes economic policies and their effects. The introduction of higher interest rates by the central bank led to a decrease in consumer spending. As borrowing became more expensive, people took out fewer loans and spent less money. This decrease in spending caused a slowdown in economic growth, as businesses experienced lower sales and reduced their investments. This text presents information causally, explaining how the action of raising interest rates caused a series of effects on consumer behavior and economic growth. Causal texts help you understand how one event or action leads to another and its overall impact. Great job today! Here's what we've learned about how texts present information. Sequential. Information is presented in a step-by-step order, showing how events or processes unfold. Comparative. Information highlights similarities and differences between two or more subjects. Causal. Information explains how one event causes another, showing cause and effect relationships. Understanding these methods will help you better analyze and interpret the texts you read in history and social studies. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the ways information is presented.